Rihanna doesn't want to lose her bum or boobs. The 30-year-old singer feels confident with her fuller figure, and although she's about to embark on a new exercise regime, the Ocean's 8 actress is determined to keep her curves. Asked what it's like to be a pinup girl, the work hitmaker replied, "Okay, you're asking the wrong person. I don't know. Maybe it's I'm thick now? I don't know. I'm about to get back into the gym and stuff, and I hope I don't lose my butt or my hips or all my thighs. I'll lose some of it, but not all." Rihanna also revealed she's become increasingly wary of the people she surrounds herself with. We're betting you loved that video. Wasn't it great? Well, like and subscribe to get even more.